Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error gpuid 100, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and go to the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. And especially right click on the NVIDIA one and update the drivers. Then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display in the right pane and then scroll down and select advanced display. Okay, and then make sure that dynamic refresh rate is switched off and this is selected at the highest value. Now return to the display page, scroll down and select graphics. Expand the advanced graphics settings and disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.